Welcome to my YouTube channel where we discuss issues relating to men. Today, we're talking about something many men struggle with silently: premature ejaculation. It's more common than most people think, and yet so many men carry the weight of it alone, feeling frustrated, embarrassed, or even less confident in their relationships. But the truth is this: you are not alone, and this is absolutely something that can be understood and improved. Premature ejaculation happens when a man orgasms sooner than he or his partner wants. And sometimes it feels sudden, confusing, or even out of your control. But there are reasons behind it. Causes. For many men, the cause is psychological: stress, performance anxiety, guilt, or the overwhelming pressure to perform. Sometimes it's rooted in relationship issues, misunderstandings, or emotional tension. For others, it's linked to biological factors like hormonal imbalances, inflammation, or an overly sensitive nervous response. And sometimes, it can simply be a pattern your body learned over time. Whatever the reason, it's not a failure. It's a signal, and signals can be understood. Solutions. The good news: there are practical steps that help. 1. Learn to slow things down. Techniques like the start-stop method and squeeze technique retrain your body to control arousal. 2. Strengthen the pelvic floor. Kegel exercises help you build muscular control and last longer naturally. 3. Reduce stress and performance pressure. Relaxation, deep breathing, and open communication with your partner can make a huge difference. 4. Use desensitizing creams or condoms if recommended. They help men manage sensitivity. 5. Speak to a healthcare provider if it happens frequently. There are effective medications and therapies that can help you regain full control and confidence. Premature ejaculation doesn't define you as a man. It doesn't measure your masculinity, your worth, or the quality of your relationships. What matters is understanding it, talking about it, and taking steps toward improvement. If you're dealing with this, remember, you're not broken. You're human, and there is hope. Follow my YouTube channel, like and subscribe for more content like this.